In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Notion at once. Now, Notion doesn't currently have a single empty trash button like you might see in your email or on your computer, but there is still a straightforward way to clear everything out. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, and share a few tips so you don't accidentally lose anything important. First, open Notion on your computer. Look over to the left side of your screen. This is your main sidebar where you normally see your workspaces, pages, and favorites. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that sidebar. There, you'll see an option labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Trash, Notion will open a view showing all the pages and databases that have been deleted from your workspace. Think of this as a temporary holding area. Items here aren't gone forever yet. This is your chance to review them before you permanently remove them. Take a moment to quickly scan through the list. If you see anything you might want to keep, you can restore it instead of deleting it. It's always better to pause and double-check now, because once we complete the deletion, those items can't be recovered. To permanently clear items from your trash, you'll need to remove them one by one. For each page or item in the trash view, look for a small trash can icon next to it. This icon is what you'll use to permanently delete that specific item. Click that trash icon next to the first item you want to remove. When you click the icon, Notion will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete it. This step is there to protect you from mistakes. If you're confident you no longer need that page or database, click Delete on the confirmation message. That item is now permanently removed from your workspace. Repeat this same process for each remaining item in your trash. Click the trash icon next to the item, then confirm the deletion. Continue until you've gone through the entire list. Once you no longer see any items in the trash view, your Notion trash is fully cleared. That's all there is to it. By opening the trash from the sidebar, reviewing your deleted items, and confirming each permanent delete, you can effectively clear all trash from your Notion workspace.